You will learn how to get a link to a WhatsApp group from this video tutorial. Let's just get right into it. Alright, the first step is to tap on your WhatsApp application for it to open. As the application opens, tap on the group. Note, for this thing to work, you must be an admin. Alright, if you are not an admin, you can get the link. Or better still, we can contact the admin for he or she to get you the link and send to you. So once you are here, you will see this text invite via link or QR code. Tap on that option. Then on this page, you see copy link, tap on that copy icon. Alternatively, once you're here, you can tap on the name of the group. Once you're there, scroll down to the page. You will see the section with the text invite via link or QR code. Tap there. Then, from the list of options, you will see copy link section. Tap on that copy icon and you are good. So with this, you can send the link to any person. I believe this video helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel, okay? You can hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section, all right? This video here will walk you through on how to create a WhatsApp link, all right? Check it out. Thank you and see you some other time.